This is the Adder Chef single serve coffee machine. And look how nice this is. This will brew 8, 10, or 14 ounce coffees. It also includes this travel mug too. And you can even use it to brew your coffee when you're on the go, or you can also use a regular cup as well. And this is such a nice color. This is in red. However, they have other colors to choose from as well. And very easy to use. And what this does is it uses your regular ground coffee. So you don't have to purchase those pods. You can just use this and it comes with the brew basket. Simple as that. And let me show you how nice this is. And this is what the water reservoir looks like. It can hold 8, 10, or 14 ounces of water. They say to use 2 tablespoons for a 6 ounce cup of coffee. However, I'm gonna make an 8 ounce cup of coffee and I'm still gonna just use 2 tablespoons. And now we're gonna pour the water inside the water reservoir. And then we're gonna place our cup underneath and close this up. And once you click it into place, it's ready to go. As you can see, it's a one-touch button. And all you do is push it and it will auto shut off. So as you can see, the blue light is on and that means it's in the on position. And it's so nice that it auto shuts off, which saves energy too. And now we are gonna have our cup of coffee brewed in less than 5 minutes. And I just love this compact design, perfect for smaller kitchens or if you're traveling too. This measures approximately 10.4 inches by 7.4 inches by about 5.5 inches across. And I just love the smell of fresh brewed coffee. It just smells so good. And as you can see, the steam is coming up and it really makes a hot cup of coffee. Just love that. It's almost done. The light just turned off and I heard it click off. So that means it automatically turned off, which is really good. And now we can taste our fresh brewed coffee. That's my favorite part. This coffee is so robust and so flavorful. Here's a close-up of the coffee and really brewed it fast and very hot too. Can you see the steam coming off of it? This coffee maker is so nice. I just love this bright red color. And it's so nice that they also include this travel mug. Let me show you a close-up of what the travel mug looks like. Here's a close-up of what the travel mug looks like. It is stainless steel, also has this ridge right here. And to open it up, it's very easy to open up and also has silicone on the side. And this lid, you just push this back and then you're able to drink from that spout and you can close it up too. Very simple and easy to use. And it also fits underneath here. So if you want to brew your coffee in here, you definitely can. Or use your own cup. It's up to you. I just really love this coffee maker by Adder Chef. It really comes in handy. And I just love the color too. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.